Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me is HMD Arc phone. In this video I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and microSD. So let's get started. First of all, you want to take your phone and have a look at the left side of your device. You want to find this card tray over here. Then you'll need to use ejector tool that looks like this. So now let's take it and insert it right into this small hole right here and push slightly to pop the tray out. Now let's take tray out, and first of all let's place SIM card into the first slot, which is this one. But please make sure as you place your cards, make sure that gold contacts are facing downwards like this. And then let's take microSD and also place it in the correct position like this. Make sure that everything here is smooth, and let's place the tray right back into the phone. Then you want to press to close it, and please check if here everything is good. And now your SIM card and also your microSD should work from this moment. Additionally, you can open quick settings panel, and here you will see message that microSD is working. So yeah, that's it. Leave a like on this video, subscribe to our channel for more videos, and see you in the next one.